Artificial intelligence has come a long way in the past few years, and the advancements are only accelerating. In 2023, AI will be even more ubiquitous and will change our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined. Here are the top 5 ways AI will change our lives in 2023. 1. Personalized healthcare. AI will transform healthcare by enabling personalized treatment plans based on an individual's genetic makeup and medical history. With AI-powered diagnosis systems, doctors can make quicker and more accurate diagnoses, leading to better patient outcomes. 2. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars will become more common in 2023, making our commutes safer and more efficient. With AI-powered systems, cars can make split-second decisions that humans can't, reducing the risk of accidents and traffic jams. 3. Enhanced cybersecurity. AI will improve cybersecurity by detecting and preventing cyber attacks before they can do damage. With AI-powered systems, cybersecurity can be more proactive and effective, keeping our data and devices safe. 4. Improved customer service. AI will enhance customer service by providing personalized and immediate assistance. With AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, companies can improve customer satisfaction and reduce response times. 5. Personalized education. AI will revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences. With AI-powered systems, students can learn at their own pace and receive targeted feedback, leading to better academic outcomes.